Right, so I've been doing a video on changing this door on this 110. It's a kind of a bright colour, isn't it? You'll see more on that later, but the problem I had with the filming was that I did it outside and it was windy and you couldn't hear much. But anyway, I got the door on, partially rebuilt. I have to make some brackets for it. But it doesn't close right. Now you can see what I've got here. I've upgraded my gapping tool for the door, 34 and, what did I say, 34 and 3/4. That's what it should be. Simple bit of copper pipe, bent at both ends, 34 and 3/4. Now if I come to the door here, at the bottom, I know you can't see it, but you'll have to believe me, that's okay. But when I come here, it won't go in. That means this bulkhead is back a little bit, which would account for why this door's dropped here and dropped here, because there's no more adjustment on here on the bottom hinge, so I don't really fancy filing holes out because it's preciously close up here too. So I'm going to just leave it at that, let them decide to see what to do with it. But at the same time, I've got my friend Stefan here with his Land Rover, and we're going to check his door gaps. Now pay attention, because you built this yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. But what else could be wrong with it? Well, just look here. Buff it out. that'll do it. You know, we just want a bit of polish, spit and polish. So you're going to tell us what happened. Here, we'll put the camera back in, then you can see the whole thing. Right, because this was your pride and joy, wasn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Come in a bit.
Yeah, sorry.
That's it, because I can't see the screen very much. It's very hard to see, but yeah, that was your pride and joy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was during my trip, my trans-Canadian trip. I dropped in the Dempster Highway, so yeah, it was icy condition.
I see you brought a bit back with you, eh?
Yeah.
Was that a souvenir?
A big souvenir. I have a lot of rock inside everywhere from the Northwest Territories.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it was not a big crash, but drop on the side and after on the roof.
Well, all the weight transfers the other way around, doesn't it?
Exactly.
You've got a lot of weight on the chassis and engines, all on an aluminium frame. Exactly. Did you have a...
And the roof, yeah, you have a roof rack and a lot of really loaded on the top at the time.
That doesn't help because it puts the centre of gravity out, doesn't it?
Exactly.
But yeah, it's one of them things that looks worse than it is. The B-posts have caved in, but we're going to have a go at trying to pull them out, because I think it would pull out. And also that bit on the top of the dash, yeah, we can get that out as well. I can just weld a piece on, warm it up and gradually pull it back to its square, because it's all solid metal, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everything's solid on it. So
yeah, not rusty at all anywhere.
And we found out that the towing company put a dent in the top of the door. That's nothing, there's a bit of a crease there. That door's okay. Other side door is pushed over. Yeah, our biggest concern is that roof tent thing. That might be a tricky one. You know, because you said it's usable, but it's tough to put up, eh?
Yeah.
Twisted.
Yeah.
The back's twisted as well, so because that's on a very solid base, isn't it? Because that aluminium structure is...
It's stronger than the original.
It's stronger than the original car.
Yeah.
So that's transferred a lot of the forces somewhere else. You said those dents at the top of the towing company, eh?
Exactly, the two old there, yeah.
Not sure what we can do with that, but we can try. One of the things we would have liked is to have, can we say that? Are we still there?
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the things we would have liked to have is a 110 roof, so we could take that off and get all our alignment right. You've got a new windscreen frame, haven't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad. But like I say, it's because it's got a curve in it. I think that might be awkward because there's nothing really to push against. You know,
Yeah, the roof is the biggest problem.
The roof is the biggest problem. I'm not sure. I'm not going. I can guarantee we can get all the doors straight and things like that. That's not a big deal. But I'm not sure about that roof. I don't think it'll take that long, you know. But well, I don't think it'll take long. If you're going to help me, that's even better. Because you can. It's nice to have two eyes on things. Because if I'm pulling from the opposite side, you want to tell me when to stop.
I will be here for helping you for sure.
Well, I've got to get my roof. I've got to get my roof finished first. Once we get the roof done, then we'll be on. Because we've got all the tin down here. We're all ready to go. Just waiting for Jerry to come. And then that's that. So, but we can leave this outside because it doesn't matter about this, does it?
It was outside for 10 months, so.
But the engine's good, isn't it?
Yeah, the engine is perfect.
Engine's good.
Yeah, all the mechanical, all under is very in perfect condition.
Yeah.
That's why I want to.
Have you thought about making it into a canvas top? It would be even easier.
That's an option. That's an
really
option. Yeah.
They could put a canvas top on it.
Yeah, we put a wall between.
Yeah.
And you transform to a canvas. Yeah. If we have too much trouble, that's an option.
Actually, it exists a canvas top for a 110 station wagon.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. A company in England makes them.
Okay.
I think you have to do a lot of bracing, but there again, it doesn't really matter because it's only aluminium sheet anyway. So I think they make like a rolly, like a frame to go inside, and then they make a canvas top. Well, that would be nice.
Yeah, if we cannot do anything, we'll see that option. Yeah.
We'll try and do our best.
Exactly.
We can only do our best. But if we find that's too rigid, I mean, if we were in a proper body shop and we had a doors ram to pull from different angles, so that would be different. But we haven't. But even then, I don't think it would be worth it. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. So that's it. So we're going to finish that now. Well, not finish that, but we're going to finish off here because it's going to rain again. Bloody weather. And we'll come back to that later. So this orange thing here, I've got to do a little bracket, not a bracket, but what do they call it? A strong back, so they can get the steering wheel off. They can't get the steering wheel off.
Oh no.
It's not like a TDI. Which ones have you got?
Like a
you got a mounty one, like a... Yeah, that's what they want on this one. So that'll be our next film probably. And a few other odds and sods. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Look forward to this one because it'll be probably one of my last videos I'll do for quite a long time because I need a bit of a break from doing these things. Alright, see you later.